Hey, this is Ryan Turner with Sunrun Solar. I'm here with my foreman, Danny. We're on a job site in Chula Vista. And Danny, just want to ask you a couple questions. So, how are things going today on the job site?
Everything's going really smooth. First thing we do is talk to the customer, let them know where everything's going to go. Let them know the caution areas, we set up our caution tape, do our stretch and flex, our huddle board, have a game plan, and how the day is going to go and who's going to do what, being organized.
Cool, perfect. And then how long have you been working for Sunrun?
I've been working for Sunrun for about 4 or 5 years.
Cool.
Kind of departed for about a year, went into 2 other companies, and but it doesn't compare to Sunrun, so I came back.
Nice. And then who got you into the solar business?
My brother Robert, also a foreman here.
Okay.
He got me into it, and I adapted to it. I'm passionate about my work. I love it. It's a great company to be with.
Cool. And then as far as for all of our viewers, what would you say the reason why you like working with Sunrun, or why people should choose Sunrun as their solar partner?
I believe it's the best solar company there is right now. It's a big company. Everything's all organized as far as from office, from sales. Everybody's aware of what we're doing every day. And quality, clean, good quality, safety, everything's perfect in this. So.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Danny, for sharing your thoughts today, and thank you for taking care of my customer, Fred, who's getting installed right now, and he's very happy.